Hello everyone, this is Ishita Jain from class 10B. Today I am here to deliver a biography on an unsung hero of India, Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda was a young freedom fighter and tribal leader. He fought against Britishers really very well. The spirit of activism in 19th century was outstanding. Our folk hero Birsa Munda was born on 15 November 1875 in Munda tribes in Jharkhand. The spirit of activism started from this point when he was converted from Birsa Munda to Birsa David. That was a very hurtful moment for him. But instead of being silent like others did, he wanted to protest against Britishers, and he did too. He researched on Britishers, got to know about Britishers' history, and got to know that they came from their country to India, established East India country, looted all Indians, took all money on wealth of India and took to the country. That was not fair. Poor and innocent Indians who didn't know what was happening with them. Birsa Munda taught them what was happening with them. Birsa Munda, his influencing personality and motivating speeches influenced and motivated Indians to fight against Britishers to get their birthright freedom. Now, between all this, he formed a tribal army that fought against Britishers in future. Between all this scenario, he was jailed for 2 years. But at last he was succeeded in his mission. Very sad moment came across our eyes that he died at the very early age of just 25. He died at the very early age, but he will remain in our hearts forever. Today, I with great gratitude and honor salute our iconic social reformer Birsa Munda. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.